Rocky battles. Meet Sassy and Rocky, our beautiful pair of bringing the ball. And today, they will battle it out to see who's the best in a basketball game. But before we start this battle, I'll be dividing you into team groups. All the girls will cheer for Sassy. Come on girls, let me hear you say, Sassy, Sassy. And all the boys will cheer for Rocky. Come on boys, let me hear you say, Rocky, Rocky. All right, Bert's ready. Cleaners ready, Sass. Go!
Birds na yan.
Here's Rocky in his first ball. Followed only by Sassy. Another ball from Rocky. And it's outside. For the last ball, who's gonna win? And Rocky wins! What a close game. What do you say about Trainer Bina? You guys lose this time.
Hold it, we want another race.
Oh, she wants another race, Trainer John.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
Well, this time I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So, what race do you have in mind?
I'm thinking about the ring race.
And what is a ring race?
The first bird who can drop 3 rings into the bowl, the fastest is the winner, and that is the ring race.
So the ring race it shall be. Remember guys that boys already have 1 point, so girls, let's cheer louder for Sassy to win this time. We'll be doing this again and this time our ring race. Ready? Set? Go! Here's Sassy on it. His first ring. Followed only. Okay, what's happening? Sassy pick up the 3 rings at the same time. How clear is that? And the winner is Sassy. What do you say about Trainer John? 3 rings at the same time.
Hey, you guys did it!
Oh, he thinks you cheated.
No, we didn't cheat. Sassy used her brain.
Oh, so it's true that girls are more intelligent than boys? A round of applause for Rocky and Sassy with Trainer John and Trainer Dina. Both are particularly known to be intelligent and perceptive. That's why we continue to enhance their skills and not get bored. So here's Sassy once again, and she will show us how intelligent she is by putting the shape back to its correct slot. Just like Sassy, Greek macaws are from South America. They are known to be the gentle giants of the parrot family. It is because they are the second largest, next to the hyacinth macaws. They can grow up